Alright guys, today the dev team, iPhone dev team, they've said that in a few hours we're going to get the new Ponage tool 2.0.2. Yeah, 2.0.2. And it's going to be able to jailbreak 2.0.1, the new iPod software or iPhone software. So if you've updated your iPod or iPhone, you're finally going to be able to jailbreak it if you're on a Mac. So if you're on Windows, if you're using WinPhone, you might as well stop watching this video or just keep watching it if you're interested. And it's gonna be out in like about 5-6 hours by today Thursday. And I'll make a video later and I'll have the link to download it. Download Ponage Tool 2.0.2. It'll be in the video description, but in my next video. So look out for that. If you're on a Mac, it's good news. You can finally jailbreak your 2.0.1 with bug fixes and Cydia. Oh, and if you did update to 2.0.1 and you use the new Ponage tool, there is an update to Cydia. Cydia has been updated, and it's probably a little bit better now. There still is no installer yet, even with the update, because RipDev still hasn't finished working on it. But they do have a new beta out, a second beta. Oh yeah, and they use the code from Xpone, which is a cross where you can jailbreak, but it's different from all the other jailbreaks. It crosses. You can use Windows, OS X, and Linux. You can jailbreak on all of them with the same Xpone. Well, Ponage Tool 2.0.2 uses code from Xpone. So if you create a IPSW bundle in Ponage Tool 2.0.2, you can use it in the next WinPhone, and WinPhone will be updated soon, very soon, because Ponage Tool just came out with the update using Xpone, so that's expected. And look out for that video. I'll have it up in a few hours, right when it comes out. So you Mac users, you're in for the jailbreak. Thanks for watching.